Hello guys, in today's video, this is a battle between a kamikaze aircraft and a ship. Why am I doing this? Alright, the kamikaze aircraft is going high and it's aiming right for the ship, and woo! It actually broke the deck. Wait, is that called the deck? Whoa. Let's do another blow to, oh, this is what all remains. Okay, kamikaze aircraft, where is... A kamikaze aircraft right here. It's pretty high, I would say. Let's activate these two buttons. We don't know which one activates the propeller at the front. Now we will see which one is going to win. As of now, they have become the ammo. Oh no, Melon died! Melon died! Whoa, Melon is flying. He's ripped apart. Woo! The ship actually fell apart. Crazy. Let me do it back to full time. And whoa! That was crazy. So anyways, this is the battle. Ooh, that's what's remaining of the ship. Crazy how one aircraft crashes into another thing. It completely just destroys it somehow. Anyways, bye guys. I have 16% left in my phone. This might be the last video I'm making today. So anyways, bye guys.